End-to-end quilting is a game changer for me. I have made some pieces like this with quilting cotton and foam, but today we are going to make the exact same design but using faux leather. And guys, it is beautiful and absolutely something that I will continue to do, and I hope you enjoy it as well and can learn a couple of tips from me in this video. So let's go ahead and get started now. Here's my hoop. I have a 5x7 hoop, and I added the stabilizer to the hoop and fusible fleece. I cut my piece of faux leather 8x8 or 8.5x8.5, sorry. So bigger than the hoop size. Even though the design is a 5x7, the hoop is a little bit bigger. So just make sure you have enough fabric to cover the entire hoop. This faux leather is really thin. This is very domestic sewing machine friendly. So that's what I'm going to try. So I put my faux leather on top of the hoop. If you notice, the stabilizer and the fusible fleece are attached here to the hoop, but I'm going to put the faux leather on top of it, and I am not going to insert it in the hoop. It's going to be floating, okay? This design is a design I purchased a while back on Etsy, and I used embroidery to make it double like this because it's a single diamond design, but I really like the double look, so I changed it on embroidery. I am going to use my Brother SE 1900 embroidery machine, and I am using this thread. It's called Richward, and so far it's really nice. I'll add the link in the description of this video if you want to buy any of these, but I've tested this thread and it's excellent. And this is the same thread I used but in blue for this fabric. Beautiful. So I'm going to now try the faux leather, okay? The design is in my flash drive, so to select the design, here's the embroidery display options menu. Click on the little USB, and I have two. I have one with two colors and one with one color, but I'm only doing one color, so I'm going to select the one color one, sorry, and there it is. It's a 7 inches, 7.05 by 5.12. Okay, so I press edit and now, and we press embroider. Now I'm going to add the hoop to the machine. Lower the presser foot. Before I do that, actually, let me grab the thread here real quick. Lower the presser foot and start embroidering. It's finished. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, that's beautiful. So pretty. It worked out. It worked out perfect. The back, I used some random thread, not embroidery thread, just regular all-purpose thread, and I had this green thread, but look how perfect it is in the back, you know. Okay, let's take it out of the hoop now. Wow, this is so beautiful, so elegant and delicate at the same time. And it's not very bulky because of the fusible fleece. If I would have put foam, probably would feel a lot more like this one. This one feels like cushions. This one doesn't, but you can still see the relief. So beautiful. Okay, let me get my scissors and we're going to trim it off now. In the way, I'm just going to trim off first all the excess stabilizer and fusible fleece. Now that I cut all the extra interfacing off, here's what I have. This will be perfect for like a main panel of a handbag. I can add 2 more pieces of materials on each side, and this will be like the front pocket, or I can embroider another section here and here and join it together. Add a zipper on the top. This will be like the bottom of the bag. You can actually cut this a little bit bigger, the fabric, and continue the end-to-end embroidering on one side or on the other side and just make it bigger. I mean, there are options, okay? I know it's only 5x7, but it's what I have now. If you have an embroidery machine that takes the bigger hoop, then that's even better. But for now, this will work. I can even make a zipper pouch with this. I mean, there are options. It's really, really nice, and you can see the poofy look that we all love when it comes, and it's such a classic look, okay? But if you want to learn how to make the end-to-end quilting, like more details with the Embrilliance program and everything using quilting cotton like this one, I have a video here that shows you exactly how to do it, and I will see you in that video. Ciao.